Welcome to Jet Clash TV. Today we're entering a mission where a single decision made in just 12 seconds changed everything. It changed the pilot's life, it changed the mission, and it almost changed the fate of an entire region. It's 4:17 in the morning when an alarm suddenly echoes across the airbase. Radar has picked up a fast, moving unidentified aircraft approaching from the north. No one knows if it's an enemy drone, a stealth jet, or a hypersonic object that shouldn't even be in the sky. There's no time to think, only time to act. The squadron's most experienced pilot, callsign Falcon-1, sprints toward his fighter. Within 90 seconds, he is airborne, afterburners tearing through the darkness, climbing toward the unknown. At 45,000 feet, he picks up the target. It's flying at incredible speed, nearly Mach 1.8. The object suddenly changes direction and dives straight toward him, as if challenging him or warning him. Falcon 1 prepares for combat. He now has 12 seconds to decide. If he fires a missile too early, he could start a war. If he waits too long, he could lose his life. Every heartbeat feels like a countdown. His radar highlights the object again. He takes a deep breath and holds his fire. Then the truth appears. The unidentified object isn't an enemy jet. It's a stealth drone prototype that accidentally lost control during a secret long-range test. It drifted off course and headed straight into Falcon 1's airspace. Falcon 1 guides it safely away and avoids firing a single shot. His decision prevents a major international crisis. Sometimes the most powerful move a pilot can make is choosing not to pull the trigger. If you enjoyed this mission, hit the like button, subscribe, and get ready for more real aviation stories, jet comparisons, pilot encounters, and high-intensity military mysteries only here on Jet Clash TV.